Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term euphemism. Introduction. Euphemism, a language device commonly used in human communication, serves the purpose of replacing blunt or straightforward expressions with more polite or less offensive alternatives. These gentle substitutes are employed to soften the impact of potentially disagreeable or embarrassing topics such as religion, death, bodily functions, and sex. By exploring the phenomenon of euphemism, we can gain insights into the social and cultural norms that shape language and communication. This video delves into the significance of euphemism in language, its role in addressing sensitive topics, and its prevalence in literary works like Shakespeare's plays. Primary functions. One of the primary functions of euphemism is to avoid causing discomfort or offense to others. In many societies, certain subjects are considered taboo or sensitive, and direct language related to them may be deemed inappropriate. Euphemisms act as linguistic veils that allow individuals to communicate about these topics without crossing social boundaries or causing discomfort. For example, euphemisms are commonly employed in religious contexts to avoid taking the name of deities in vain or expressing disrespect. Addressing the topic of death. Death, being a universal and inevitable aspect of human existence, is often a challenging subject to discuss openly. Euphemisms related to death, such as pass away or departed, offer a more gentle and systematic way of referring to the end of life. These euphemisms not only acknowledge the reality of mortality, but also provide a degree of emotional comfort to those coping with loss. Navigating the realm of intimacy. Bodily functions, particularly those associated with elimination or excretion, are considered private matters in many cultures. Euphemisms like comfort station for toilet or restroom are commonly used in public settings to maintain a level of decorum and avoid explicit references to bodily functions. By using euphemisms, individuals can address natural bodily needs without causing embarrassment or offense. Sex, being another highly sensitive topic, is often laden with euphemisms. People employ euphemistic phrases like to sleep with instead of to have sexual intercourse with, to discuss intimate relations without being overly explicit. Such euphemisms can serve to maintain privacy and delicacy in the conversations about intimate matters. Shakespeare's body. Literary works, including plays, often reflect the societal norms and linguistic practices of their time. William Shakespeare's plays, known for their rich language and exploration of human emotions, are no exception. In Shakespeare's works, sexual euphemisms are particularly prevalent and reflect the societal attitudes towards sex during that period. Eric Patridge's Shakespeare's Body, published in 1960, delves into the extraordinary number and variety of sexual euphemisms in Shakespeare's plays, shedding light on the linguistic intricacies and cultural sensitivities of the time. Conclusion. In conclusion, euphemism serves as a linguistic tool to navigate sensitive and uncomfortable topics while adhering to social norms and etiquette. It allows individuals to express themselves in a more polite and gentle manner, avoiding potential offense or discomfort. In literature, like Shakespeare's plays, euphemisms provide valuable insights into the historical and cultural contexts of language usage. As language continues to evolve, euphemisms remain a powerful reflection of society's values and attitudes towards various aspects of life. So this was the discussion on the term euphemism. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.